there's actually smoke coming out through the stator, so the crankshaft seals will be gone on both ends, and therefore you're not getting suction in the crankcase as the piston comes up to draw the fresh charge in. So there seems to be compression in the compression strokes there, but there isn't the suction in the crankcase because the air's going in the easiest route through here, I would say, more than the other side at the clutch. But no, it's okay. The only thing I'm concerned about, apart from the bearings, is there's run out on this flywheel. I can see it there. It's about, I would say, about 20 thou. Now I don't know if it's just become misaligned because somebody used a three-legged puller rather than the screw-in one. We'll see. If it's just a bit of twist on these arms, that's not so much of a problem, but if the shaft's got distortion, if the bike struck something, that would be a concern. That might mean another crank, I think, because likely the distortion will carry on into the bearing. It might not, it might just be there, but then it might create a vibration that knock the bearings out. Don't know, jury's out. We'll have to get that out to the precision engineer and get it clocked and see. And of course it'll depend on the state of the big end as well. There is a bit of movement. I mean, it is flapping about. I think the oil seals are trying to hold it in place partly, but no, I'm pretty pleased. Wheels are running pretty true. I pushed it along the lane at a bit of speed and the brakes are okay. This one's okay. We're needing a few spokes here and there. Somebody's tried to tighten some of these by twisting them, but spokes are easily fired in. So it's quite tight in the steering head and a few dings in the tank. Character, isn't it? This extra coat of paint certainly helped it enormously. It's done inside the mudguards as well, so yeah, it's and gears are selecting fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, very nice.